Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text and picture on same line in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to align text and pictures. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Pictures option and insert a picture from our file. Then click the picture and click Insert. Then resize the picture some small and set in this page. Then go to the Insert menu again and click Draw Text Box option and draw a text box. Then write anything on this text box. Now we want to align text and picture. Select the text box. Then press Shift on our keyboard and select the picture. Now we can see we select multiple objects. Then go to the Shape Format menu. Then click the Align option and choose Align Top. Then click outside of the page. Now we can see we align text and picture on same line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.